So I've been adjusting this voltage regulator, and we're looking here at the cutout switch. So basically, when charge is going through this armature here, there's a magnet in there, and what it does is it's an electromagnet. It'll pull these two points together. The armature here, that big silver U-shaped one, gets pulled down towards that coil of wire. And the idea is when you turn off the ignition and the engine stops and the dynamo stops turning, all of a sudden there's no electromagnetic field in that coil, and it should, due to the spring that you can adjust at the back, the tension, it should break the contacts there. And what that means is your power from the battery isn't running to earth through the dynamo. So I'm not too concerned about the maximum charge on the other side. I can always adjust that easy, but I'm more concerned about getting him right. So if I start the engine now, you'll see what will happen there. That's exactly what I want to see. I'm not too fussed about the erratic measurements there on the voltmeter, to be honest with you. I might just give that another little wiggle just to make sure it's making a good contact.